So again, good evening to all my friend. My name is Abhishek Dikshit, and how you all? I hope you all are fine. So our English speaking series is running, and somewhere I upload my video and I make my video only in related in English speaking. So how was your practice is running? I hope you all are doing good practice. Do practice every day at least speak 5 to 10 sentence in every day to improving English, because in English more necessary is practice. If you are not doing practice, then you can't get benefit. Okay, and I am not expert in English. I am not too much fluent in English, speaking in English. But what I suggest you only do this. Around 40 and 45 videos I was uploaded now in my channel Abhishek Dikshit English. So if you are not watching that video, please that watch video and this video also. So what we are going to learn in this video, because then in my every video somewhere I talk in a differently way. I every day try to talk in a different topic, because when we talk in different topic, when we get related knowledge in that topic, and in speaking it is more necessary to speak and practice, and somewhere we should have knowledge in different topic. So okay, so again I am going to tell you in this video also what is education. Okay, so this video is totally going to conduct in what is education, because we don't know what is real education. Somewhere what we are studying in college and schools, okay, but we don't know what is education. So we are educated person, and somewhere I hope most of the student, most of the boys and girls, they completed their, they are somewhere now educated and they cross their college. Okay, then they passed their college, so they should know what is real education, because often we see and we can see, we or also say I am educated, I done BA, I done 12th, I done BCom, I done BSc, but we don't know what is education. Not only what we are studying in school and colleges, we have knowledge. Okay, students have knowledge. They have knowledge in related in books. What written in books, we are read it. Okay, so we have knowledge related in books. Yes, it is a kind of education, but not only it is education. When we have somewhere we have knowledge only in related in books knowledge, so it is not only a education. Somewhere mechanic, they have a knowledge, they are preparing in cars, they are okay, they are doing work in related in mechanic field, so it is also kind of education. It is a part of education. Not only we have knowledge only in related in books, so it is education. Farmers, they have a good knowledge related in field, related in agriculture. Okay, so it is a kind of education, because educated person, they cannot do farming in field. Educated person, they cannot do. Only farmers, they have a knowledge related in field, related in agriculture. Okay, so it is also what I say, it is also education. They have a knowledge of field related in crops, so it is a kind of education. Mechanic, they have a knowledge related in cars, related in vehicles, and they are preparing their, so it is also education. We are educated, we have a knowledge of books, so we are doing different work. They have a knowledge related in cars, related in different field, so they are doing different work. Somewhere labor, they are doing a laboring work, so it is also it is also kind of education, part of education. It is education, because they have a knowledge of what related in laboring field. And somewhere karigars, they have a really good knowledge. They are building a house, they are doing a decorate in kitchens, in household, somewhere related work in house, so it is also kind of education. So now I hope you all get knowledge what is education, and you all know what is education. So don't say only I am an educated person. Somewhere um, farmers, they have a knowledge related in field, so it is also kind of education. Mechanic, they have a knowledge related in vehicles, so it is a kind of education. Karigars, they have a knowledge. Laborers, they have a knowledge in different field, so it is also kind of. And what education give us, really what education they give us, when we are studying in related in books, related in any college books and any schools books, so what we know, what we get, we get knowledge. So what education give us? Only knowledge. And knowledge we can get anywhere. In our surroundings we can get knowledge. It is also knowledge. I don't have a bay. I don't know the bay of my house and in my uh, between the house and my college. So when I know the way of going in my college, it is also kind of education. So education not it what we get in books and in another place. In what we do in what we are studying in college and school, so it is not only in education. So we have knowledge in any field, so it is a part of education. So thanks to all. I hope you all are getting benefit while watching my video, and if you like this video, then please like this video. So again, I hope you like all, you should watch my all sections. So thanks to all. Thank you.